My name is Enrique Nieto. I am from Dublin, Ohio. I wanted to do a career change, and detailing is one of my hobbies. So I figured find accredited school and accredited staff, so I happened to run into you guys on the internet. Absolutely. Everything from the marketing aspect to more than just giving more to the customer than what they were expecting. That is the key. Hands-on training was very outstanding. You know, got a chance to work with different products. You know, I'm used to one product, and I can pick from different things that I can use in my customers' cars, for sure. And definitely, I would definitely bring somebody over here.